one of them was Helen Zille. As she said, Jacob Zuma started the PA, gave us 5 billion in 2016. In 2016. Now I'm going to tell you 3 things, and then I'm not even going to talk about it anymore. Number 1, 2014, we were part of the election. Right? That's number 1. I want you to use your own brain. 2014, we were part of the election. Number 2, let me tell you a story that caused a huge fight in the PA. No, that is number 3. I want to tell you number 2. One of the most successful companies I ever had was a mining consultancy firm. So I do mining, gas, everything. That was the most successful company. I mean, I had customers like Namakwa Diamonds, listed companies. I had companies that came to see me like Coal of Africa. I also worked with Glencore. The biggest contract was Goldfields. These are the 4th largest company in the world when it comes to gold mining. They came to me, to my company, and say, I had so many people working for me. I think 60 people working for me in that company. The Goldfields came and all the people came knocking. And I can tell you lots of companies came. Oh man, I can't tell you. And we would work with mining rights. We will work with BE deals, putting deals together. We'll work with all of that. And I remember I was approached by Rosgeo, which is the Russian company that wanted to do a deal here. They paid me my money. The deal never went through. So if you have a 5 billion deal, surely it must show on the Companies Act. Where's the money? The money must have, you don't carry 5 billion in a bag. There must be records of that company, of that deal. That deal never materialized. I was paid for the work that I've done by Rosgeo. They paid me. They paid my company. So that's the second one. So if I will just ask Helen Zille to please give me the name of the 5 billion company that did the deal. That will help us. That will help all of us that got 5 billion. We were paid and the deal was unsuccessful because the President Zuma and the South African government and all of those people didn't do their deal. That's number 2. Now here's the main one, and I'm sharing this with you just so you can start you can start seeing them for who they are. You can start seeing them for who they are. In 2016, there was a big fight in the PA. I must tell you, we had a kingmaker seat in 2016. We had a kingmaker seat, which means in Ekurhuleni and in Nelson Mandela Bay. Those 2 places, we were the kingmakers. So if we decided to go with the ANC will be in charge. If we decide to go with the DA will be in charge. So we said, and there were people like the DP and Marlon, our national chair. We were discussing which direction should we take. I said, guys, because we are a new party, let us give the ANC one and we give the DA one. So that we are not seen to be, and I'm talking to the thinking people here, not the roof kickers. So we are not seen to be taking sides, 2016. The chair and the DP and the SG, they said, no. Let's rather go with the ANC. I said no. Let's give them 1-1. Eventually, I won that debate. We gave the ANC Ekurhuleni. These are records. You can go check these things up. And we gave the DA Nelson Mandela Bay. The chair was so angry that I had to shout him to come to the press conference. He didn't want to come. The chair was so angry, you understand. Him and the DP were so angry with me. I said, no, let's give the DA. Then Jessie Duarte called me. Jessie Duarte called me. She said, I have to speak to you. So I met with Jessie. And Jessie, because I respected her so much. And Jessie said, you can't give the DA Nelson Mandela Bay. That's the name of Nelson Mandela. The PA can't do that. Jessie was so angry with me. She was so angry with me. I said, no, I'm going to give the DA. Then Zuma came to see me at my house. President Zuma came to say, I'll never forget his words. Mfana Giti. I didn't even know what Mfana Giti was. I had to ask afterwards. He says, Mfana Giti. How do you give the DA? I said, no, we're giving the DA. Every leader, every friend I had in the ANC was angry with me. How do you give Nelson Mandela's name? Marlon was proven right over time, the national chair. Because Marlon said, Press, these people are unreliable. They then said, we are going to take the deputy mayor and they take the mayor. We shook hands on that. Trollop then became the mayor. He was telling the DA. It was such a fight. People stopped talking to me. Because how dare do I give? I said, but PA doesn't belong to you. You don't tell us who should go. And then I took that attitude of becoming a bit harder. Like, no, you guys can't tell us what to do. We are in sovereign party. Now, here's the question. If Zuma was the one that gave us money for this, why would we defy him? Why would we go with Helen Zille? Because they think we're stupid. They think history doesn't have any blank pages. The national chair told me exactly. I was angry with him. I said to him, you will be at that press conference, because he refused to go. He came to the press. He didn't even smile at that press conference. I wish there can be a video or something. I told him, you will be at that. And he said to me, Press, I'm coming because I love and respect you, but you're going to burn. These people are going to step us in the back. Trollop and them stepped us in the back, just as the chair has predicted. So I needed to tell you those three things. And lastly, I want to tell you, do you know what is mad cow disease? If you don't take your treatment, you get mad cow disease. At that age that Helen Zille is, she has to take her tablets. Now, if you can't be that age and not operate without tablets. So sometimes she forgets to take that tablets. She lives on my Facebook pages. I can see people you know. She's always there. So I wanted to tell you just, and this is the first and the last time I'm coming to explain stuff. It's not the first, but it will be the last time I'm coming to explain DA stuff here. She says she heard that thing, somebody went to the Zondo Commission and says PA was formed in 2016 by Jacob Zuma. Zondo didn't even call me. I was never called to the Zondo Commission or the SG. We were never called, because how do we go and explain if PA was already there 2014? Now, if you don't take your tablets, I don't blame Helen. You have to take your tablets to be sane. The tablets keep us sane. A mal anti-die. Mal anti. Her campaign is PA. And we keep on beating the DA because she concentrates on the PA. She concentrates on the PA. She gets a few people to say, just talk bad about the PA leadership, and she thinks that will stick. You know, there was a time when President Zuma didn't speak to me because of the fact that I gave Nelson Mandela Bay to the DA. So die mense om Zille, sê dit vas hom al die daai pille vat. She needs, on at that age, ek meen 70 is 70, what's he, close to 75. Is he popping Melky? Now when she starts saying, how can I be getting money from Zuma, give me money? Was ek aan arm. Ek moet vir hom geld gee. I mean, like, what is this woman talking about? So, sê net 'n pille vat asseblief. Vat jou pille en los die pia uit jou bek uit asseblief. Los die pia uit jou bek uit. Dis al wat ek jou vra. Jy het 'n press conference. But you speak about the PA at your press conference. So please, people around that lady, you know, I have now explained to you. So tell me, imagine I give you money to start a party and I refuse to go with you. Hi, people can be told anything. The DA thing, these are the same people that said PA is going with the ANC. Vandag is hulle diep in die agterin van die ANC. Diep. As die ANC, hulle tande borsel en hulle druk die tande borsel diep in, dan maak hulle die DA se hare deur mekaar. So diep is die DA in. When the ANC is brushing his teeth deep down there by the tongue, and then the toothbrush will be combing the DA's hair, that's how deep they are in. It's PA every day, PA in the morning, PA there, PA everywhere. Leave the PA. Leave the PA alone. Did you forget we were in coalition in 2016 in Nelson Mandela Bay? We were together. You didn't talk those things. The DA calls a press conference. Those people that joined the DA, the SG got a call from, I think, JJ. I get a message from Sydney, Leader Sydney. And the SG says, those people are not PA caliber people, really, press. What do you think? I said, I agree with you. Now they want to come. Ek het vir Sydney gesê, we even joked and said, dat hy pap maar by grond val. We don't want them, not them. Ons ken mens vir geldjies hulle. Today he says PA, like we don't want, I don't like to do that thing when people want to come to the PA, then I expose them. But when you start talking about us, did you forget you send people? So why are you guys so obsessed with a PA? Is PA in die oggend, is PA hier. Los die PA. Los vir ons. There's, MK came to see us. It was Bakang, myself, the TG, all of them. They came to see us and say, we must join the Black Caucus in Parliament. We must join the Black Caucus. We mustn't join the ANC. Or we mustn't join the... I said, never. Let me tell you another thing you must know. Why I sometimes have so much love and respect for some of these comrades in the ANC. I'll tell you why. Tell you the truth. The DA, during the GNU negotiations, there was one thing that made them fight. They said, don't bring the PA in. Don't bring the PA in. I'm telling you now, as a fact. You know, these guys of the ANC, they just don't want to talk on the record. They were busy saying, don't bring the PA in. You can bring any party in. We don't want to work with the PA here. And President Ramaphosa said, there's no way you're going to say to us, we mustn't work with the PA. They were telling President Ramaphosa, we can see you. We can see you. You mustn't bring the PA in. These people are sick because of the PA. Now they're coming and saying that we can't pay Liam's salary. No disrespect to Liam, but how can we not be able to pay Liam's salary? Like Liam is getting R1 million. They don't understand how the PA, when they couldn't pay the salary of Leader Marcel Kleinhans. He said, I'm taking them to court. I said, leave court. I said, TG, pay him a salary. We will deduct it. Pay him a salary. They know we're not going to, we'll deduct it the moment they pay him one day. If they don't pay him, it's fine. We'll continue to pay him a salary. This is the nonsense they talk about. They just dream out any. That's why, you know, they are so in PA's business. So let me tell them, Noel Constable has asked us, he wants to go to Beaufort West because he said, ek sien das baie leuns wat gepraat word daar. So Noel is going out of legislature. Stamhoof is going to go in just to go and put legislation forward for the Khoi and the Sun. Then we'll take him out, and then he's going to go help Saintus with legislation in National Parliament. No, don't say we don't. There's people, do you know the PA? So we as the PA, I mean, they have come with all sorts of stories with the PA. They come with all, Eugene knows we've been in court forever with these people. I'm the only mayor in Beaufort West that fixed the toilet situation that was there. People were using bucket toilets. Today they don't use bucket toilets. We have never used the state's money for that. There was not a budget for that, but we made it happen. When we arrived in Beaufort West with Noel and everybody else, and Tish and all the leaders that are there, even from the ANC, they had the biggest bill for Eskom. We changed the collection system. Now they go Action SA. Actionless SA. Actionless SA goes to Beaufort West. How do you travel so far to go and launch a campaign using Gayton McKenzie's name? You launch a campaign. You launch your party. There was no Action SA in Beaufort West. There was no Action SA in Beaufort West. They go launch Action SA using Gayton McKenzie. Yeah, you know, I'm going to post you something last night. My friend calls me. He says, hey, G, I heard you landed in France. Come over to my house. I said, hey, man, I can't come over to your house. I've got, the ambassador said I must go and do an interview. Because when we travel like this, the ambassadors will tell us, this is what you must do, this is what you must do. So the ambassador tells me, sorry, I landed at around 3 o'clock, I think 4 o'clock. She's like, please, at 8 o'clock you have this. That's why I canceled the live. I thought I'll do the live at my friend house. And it's important what I'm telling you. I then went, I said, all right, ambassador, I'll be there. I had to rush 7 o'clock to go and greet the people of Nike that's sponsoring the Springboks. That was my first meeting when I came here. I had to apologize to the president of SARU and say, I can't stay long because I've got another meeting. I've got another interview on Supersport last night. But Supersport has put this interview at the back of a bar. And the Braai Army wanted to meet with me. So I had to walk. As Charles, it took me an hour to walk something that you can walk 3 minutes. I'll post you the picture now. I'll post you the video now. How people were just, Katie. Here, Katie. These are Londoners. When they saw me there yesterday, I'm wearing a cap like this, hiding. Why am I telling the story? Because people gee nie 'n fok om vir 'n anti-maalpille nie. Sy kan maar hoe sleg praat van me whenever I come in the public. So please, as die pille klaar is, I'm willing to make a heavy donation for die pille. Because those tablets are really helping. You know, you can ask Brendan and them when I got there last night, people went crazy. Because people can see I love them. So they fake news. Doesn't help. There's now a chance for a minister to come in. I'll tell you now, they'll not take a colored as a minister. Probably deputy minister. So, ek is bereid om geld te gee vir Helen Zille se pille. Because maybe she ran out. I'm willing, die malpille, because I know she has to take those tablets to be sane. Malpille, en die mal. Een mal oma is nie sy auntie nie. Een mal oma grootjie. Sy moet na pille vat. Mal. Hy een mal ding, laat ek julle vandag vertel. Hy oma is mal. Sy staan sommer op eendag, sy sê, apartheid was goed, kolonialisme was goed. You must be mad to say something like that. So I'm willing to really put down some money for the, amper sê ek die melpille. She's mal. Maar sy moet bietjie Bob Martens ook draai. Ons honde, van die grondhonde van die PA, ons weet wat dat praat is. So I wanted to just tell you that. And Action SA, just ignore them. Ismail and the crew in Joburg caused us this problem. They wiped the floor with the DA and Action SA. And to the colors that's there, don't worry, we'll get you jobs by them. We'll pressurize them to put you guys in big meetings. We know you're not sitting in big meetings. You know, and some of you tell us liggewigte. You lightweights, julle is veergewigte. You can't compare Neville to Stamhoof or to Marcel. The ANC chased him out. Weet jy hoe sleg moet jy wees as die ANC so wegsag? So mense as hulle Bob Martens het gaan lei net af by die DA se kantoor asseblief. Hy mense is PA mal. Please, if you have some Bob Martens, just drop it there by the office for the auntie. So, sy's 'n mal geval. So I want to finish talking about that. You're going to hear the worst things. Other journalist called me, Mr. Mackenzie, is it true that you were falling over at the party? You were so drunk. There's a picture that Michelle posted, the DSG posted, where I was sitting with ministers and I took my jacket off and I was dancing there. And then, now, that picture I took, that picture I took, that video that they say I was drunk. I don't drink alcohol, and that doesn't make me better. But I don't drink alcohol. I've never drank alcohol. I just love having a good time when I'm with people. So die oma senile, you know, at that age, you guys, if I'm still in politics, listen to me. In that age, if I still want to lead, hulle moet my wegsag. Imagine, half mal maak wil julle lei. PA, yeah, means I don't think you understand who you are. You have caused this problem. Die PA slaat volle pap. Mossel Bay, Eldorado Park, Westbury, Rege Park. So if you want to be somebody, you must just say Gayton McKenzie. Gayton McKenzie. Nee, vir die ouma konkoksie maak. Do you know? My auntie used to make for her husband a konkoksie. The konkoksie se naam was regkom. Sy bedoel regkom konkoksie. Sy bedoel regkom konkoksie. Ek is so spyt my auntie is afgesterwe. Ek daai konkoksie is benodig. Hy regkom konkoksie. As my uncle so dronk was dat hy gaan so sê, laat ek hy konkoksie vir hom maak. Jong, I didn't take the recipe. Ek sal moet die recipe geneem het. Now, these people, eh? You know, the second issue I want to tell you is about the elections. They don't want to give us the election date. Or they've not said, but we've worked it out. Because what they've done, they've stopped the by-elections in April. There'll be no more by-elections after April, except the ones that they've already proclaimed. So we think the election is going to be on the first week of November. The second week of November, this is how we worked it out. The election is going to be on the second week of November, around there. This is not, I have no facts of that. We just look at all the different scenarios, and we look at all the different hints, and we think the election is going to be on the 2nd of November, because already they stopped. It can't be next year if they stop the by-elections for April. So that is what I wanted you guys to know, Patriots. Then, no, guys, I'm serious doing, Leonard. Julle moet my wegzag as I must be with my grandkids. I must be with my grandkids. I must be with my grandkids and my kids, advising my kids and all those things. Ek moet net door-to-door do. I must just do door-to-door. I must do grond to that. There must be leaders in the PA. Like die asyn lappie. Die asyn lappie maak van meer mal. You know, so much vinegar. Die brein is nou vol van asyn. Die brein is vol van asyn. Ek kan nie verstaan nie. I can't wake up every morning and say Ramaphosa or say Zuma or say Helen. I must talk about PA. Then, most importantly, Patriots, you've caused us big trouble with this thing that you guys are so committed and you work so hard. We don't pay volunteers. They pay volunteers. We don't pay volunteers. They pay them. We don't. People are here because they love the party. As iemand wat sê, hulle ken nie konkoksie, bring toch hy konkoksie asseblief. Ek soek hy konkoksie. Konkoksie my nou. Jy moet regkom konkoksie. As jy dit het, please. Ek soek hy konkoksie. I'm saying to you, that woman moet haar Bob Martens drink. I will work for the PA that time, and there will be leaders. Young people will lead us. That, I mean, like you already see, we're building leaders. Look around you. There's just leaders everywhere. Nee, ek dink die anti-korte. What people must understand is that we are growing, and they've not worked this out. And when they talk about us, we're growing. They come up, what say? You know, there was a by-election, Patriots, in Ennerdale. They then took off our posters. They then gave out flyers that we 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 are gangsters and all those things. They try everything. You know, I saw now a picture going around of the DP with, what is his name? Sibia. Sibia worked with us in the city, worked with the DP and them in the city. He worked in city of Joburg. Sibia worked in city of Joburg. So I don't understand. If they say Sibia is a gangster, well, I didn't know that. But Sibia worked in the... I worked with Sibia with the case of Jocelyn. I worked with Sibia with the case of Jocelyn. So the DA has not worked out. You know, Eugene, you're wrong. They've not worked it out. That the more they speak about us, the more we are on the ground working. There's Wayne and them. He was just telling me they're busy working in Ward 27 now with Marcel and with Stamwolf. People like that now, they come saying, no, Stamwolf, they're trying to send bad things about him to me and about Marcel. Los Marai, massacres, Los Marai. Laat het staan, laat het staan, laat het staan. Laat staan uit dinge, laat staan. Sy kort Samusa 75. Nie Samusa 45 hier, Marvin. Samusa. So let them talk. I'm going to post just immediately after this live. Check the video I'm posting on my social media of how people appreciate us. Because with all these stories, it's election time, Patriots. You're going to hear all sorts of allegations. You're going to hear all sorts of things. Because, and you know what? I was having a conversation with the ASG before the live. She was briefing me about the traveling arrangements. And she said something so profound. She's like, your press, I remember how you told me and Auntie Mary and all of the people, you are not deliberately not coming to the by-election. We're like, what, press? Are you crazy? You cannot do that. And he said, and you said to us, how are you going to learn if I'm always there? So you are saying I'm a bad teacher, SG. She's like, no, press. I said, so go. Today, I wasn't at the by-election. I'm not at most by-elections that the PA is winning. Because we've got leaders wat vol is in hulle broeke. Wat hulle man en hulle vrou kan staan. Wat kan say, I'm taking this party forward. I don't need Gayton McKenzie. This party does not need Gayton McKenzie. They think this is a one-man party. That's why they only attack me, Gayton. Julle moet vir my attack, laat my mense werk hy kan. You must attack me. Attack me as hulle nie hulle Salusa for the 75 gedrink het nie. You can write all the nonsense. This is nothing. Patriots, I'm telling you, things are still coming that you're going to lie about. The text will come in the prophecy that gone out in the name of the Patriotic Alliance. The prophecy was clear. The prophecy was clear that 2026 is the year of the attacks. Look at how the leaders are coming through. Young people are now coming through. Ek is al klaar naby om af te staan. So that young people can rule. They can lead us. I am busy with my ministerial work. Die plan gaan aan. I'm sitting in cabinet and then I go to the bathroom. When I go to the bathroom, I grab my phone quickly out of my locker. And I go and sit in the bathroom. And I'm like, checking quickly the results. And I'm like, wow. Dan kom ek weer terug. Dan gaan pie ek weer. Dan gaan loer ek gou weer die results. Julle is eisters. I'm so proud of you. You are the best people that God could have put in my life and on my path. So hulle kan maar wat sê, Gayton het, you know, there's a picture. I deliberately took it, I'm going to post it. There's a friend of mine. I was talking to him last night. I'm like, yeah! I'm going to post that picture so he can say, Gayton verwrig, die wit man. I took him by the throat. I'm like, yeah! And PA is growing. Now they're busy with Liam. God, Liam is in a class. Wag bietjie. Liam is in a class of its own. Now they're sending the dumbest they have to talk about Liam. They're sending stupid to talk about genius. Where have you ever seen that? Stupid must talk about genius. Ah, Liam does, Liam the. Kry beheer oor jouself asseblief. Kry bietjie beheer oor jouself. Jy moet jouself eens in die spieël kyk voor jy vir ander mense praat. You see the problem is, hulle kyk nie vir julle in die spieël voor jy vir die mense praat nie. Sometimes you must look in the mirror. I was in I'm not going to say which president. I was in overseas. I was in a company of a president there. And we were just having a conversation and he said something. And I wanted to say something on that issue and I looked myself in the mirror. I'm like, Katie. Kry bietjie beheer oor jouself. Wat weet jy van wat die man van praat? So, oh, my apologies. Lwandile Trevor Maswabani. Sorry for Afrikaans. So, my apologies. So, I'm saying, when this president was talking about some stuff, and I wanted to comment, I'm like, hey, Katie. So sometimes before you talk about people, go check yourself in the mirror when you want to say, oh, that girl makes me so angry, go check yourself in the mirror. Do you qualify to talk about that girl? Do you qualify to talk about that man? So as jy van Liam praat, gaan kyk jy eers in die spieël asseblief. Kalmeer yourself, kry bietjie beheer oor yourself. Get control over yourself. So that's what I want to say to you, patriots, today. You are the reason why these people are dealing in madness today. We have given you guys, I was speaking to Carlo Klassen this morning. I said to him, he said, Press, can we announce? I said, of course, announce your leadership. I haven't even looked at his list of who the leaders are going to be. Because we trust people. Do you think I want to be a president forever? Me? Yesterday, the guys went out. I didn't go out. I went to the hotel to go sleep last night. Because I can't be seen to be at certain places. But I'm saying to you, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for all of you that are not at home today. All of you that are on the road. When I spoke to our I spoke to our provincial chair in the Eastern Cape. She's like, Press, I'll call you back. I'm on the road. Imagine the Helen Zille want to talk about the future for Joburg. The future, where will she be? Is she Matusalem? Go talk about your children's, grandchildren's future. Leave us. We'll sort out our future. If you guys want war, you'll get war. We don't just take anybody in the PA. On Scoujo, we check, hey, this person. Imagine. And the people of Bonneville, if you don't open your eyes now, they don't care about you. The ANC and the DA don't care about you. Look, you voted for them. You gave them the what? The DA says, no, come, resign. It's time that we show them. Bonneville, you stood in the lines to vote for that councillor. Not even a week. Not even a week. Wait. Let's go and show them. Let them pay for what they've done. So I just want to say to you, mustn't think as a The DA has been threatening to walk. If this doesn't happen, Bella will walk. If this walks, you're going nowhere. PA Baizani, when PA says this must happen, because we know our rights. So I am going to give the dates for the presidential tour. I'm coming around. I must come to all the areas. Ek mis my mense. Miss julle vreeslik. Vreeslik. I truly miss you. Ke tlo tla mo di area tse kaofela. Ke le gopotse ha bohloko. Ke le gopotse ke tlo fitla di area kaofela. Oh guys, I'm busy taking Zulu lessons. Sawubona. Unjani? Ulale kahle. My Zulu lesson started. So yeah, I'm busy because I want to understand Zulu. I'm taking Zulu lessons. So yeah, I'm now at the greeting stages. Sawubona, unjani? Ulale kahle. So I'm learning Zulu slowly. In 1 year, I'll know how to speak Zulu. So, Patriots, I love you. And just know that the by-elections, guys, go work. You know, guys, it makes me so happy when I see people going Gronto. People are saying Beaufort West is going backwards. And that is wrong. I was there for 12 months and I can show you the changes I've made. Children were swimming. Dai John Joshua do trollop. He goes and shows some dummy kid. He said it was a stay out was a stupid remain stupid. So Patriots, laat ons hulle gou wys waar David die wortels begrawe. We don't talk when we see the media. We talk on the ground. Ons is grondhonde. I'm coming to the by-elections this time. Die dink om ruk. I love you guys. I care about you guys. You guys are the best. I just want you guys to know, ons maak die mense mal. PA maak die mense mal. PA maak die mense mal. PA makes the people go crazy. So, you know how happy I am when I go on Facebook and I see people are on the ground. Do you know how happy that makes me? Without me, I was... The Here se waarheid. I wasn't in Ward 29. But look, we've managed to break a record there. When the first ward that I said I'm not going to was Ward 56, Cheslin Steenberg's ward. I just went the day of voting to greet people. So I'm coming to Beaufort West because I miss the people in Beaufort West and I'm going to help to, and that's why Noel is going to stand for his party. And I'm going to assist Dennis there so we can build the party. If God calls me home one day, I will gladly go knowing the PA will continue. Moenie met die Patriots speel nie. Ons moer. Ons tigtig nie. Die Bybel sê tigtige kind. Ons moer vir jou. PA, met 'n by-election. Woe! 100 met 100. PA, 100 met 100. PA. Ja, julle speel. Die Patriots, julle kan maar praat en praat en praat. Julle bekkies is toe. Come election time. We don't hear you. You are busy on Facebook trying to talk bad about Gayton. Massakant, los maar vir Gaytie. Los maar vir Gaytie. Los vir Gaytie. Jy moet die mense van worry. Die Patriots. Die Patriots. Die grondhonde. Die Tamobu. Aye, PA. Yeah, PA is my life. Let me tell you guys. PA. The Patriotic Alliance. Aye. I live for this party, let me tell you. When I'm no longer the president, I will still do door to door so that my new president, I must support him. We are going to FNB. No Bakantani. No Bakantani. We're going to FNB. You know, we've made friends, we've made family, we've made cousins. Some of you even got Dexels here in the PA. The PA is lekker, man. Where have you seen a party where you can come to your president like, Pres, I'm in love with Johnny. Somebody told me he's in love with Johnny. Ek nou net die Johnny het ek nog nie gesien by die PA nie. Ek het gesê, I'm coming back. Johnny, jy moet jouself bewys wie jy, jong. Steek jou hand op. Somebody told me, ek is verlief op Jannie. Jannie, Pres moet kom. Laat ek vir Pres wys wie is Jannie. Ek sê, dankie. Dankie, mevrou. So Jannie, jy moet so reg maak vir jou beolie ons tot jy verlief raak op die vrouwens. We are the PA. Let them talk. Gayton McKenzie did this. 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 Gayton McKenzie did that. Let them talk. All this talk about. You are the engine of the party. Solang die engine, you know Ismail Steenkamp told me, Pres, ons wen die woord. Nie ek gaan die woord wen. He said me, Pres, this is months ago. Ek sê, as jy seker Ismail. He says, yes, Pres, ons gaan die woord wen. You know, that was a record. It was a record what Ismail has done there as a councillor. His councillorship is a record, so where today ANC has never lost a vote. The record that Cheslin Steenberg has done in city of Cape Town, no party other than the ANC or the DA has ever won a vote in Cape Town before Cheslin Steenberg. These are records that you must know. This is Koki that won the vote it's a record in the Eastern Cape, our first vote in the Eastern Cape. So I'm saying to you, hoor Candice sê, ek het Cupid, sy het self 'n deksel vir haarself afgerap hier by die PA. Candice, Candy girl, you must work with me. You come from this ends. You remember we used to drop you at home, being lonely Paloni. En toe sien ek net, hey, sy het vir jou 'n deksel gekry hier in die PA. So, maar jy moet laaste praat van. Laaste. Candy girl. Jy word groot onder my. Ek ken mis vir jou, man. You always used to go home early at night. Toe kry jy van jou 'n lekker deksel. Het ek maar nie op besigheid praat nie. En ek lyk iets kinderig. I was just sitting in the car one day and I just saw this guy fixing something here behind Candace. I'm like, hey, what? Het ek mooi gekyk? Ek sê verkykers. Ek sê, as 'n stoofie wat anders, die pot brand. Die pot en die deksel brand. I love you guys. I love all of you. You're like family to me. I love you. I'll go to the ends of the earth for you. I truly, truly love you. I care about you. You mean the world to me. You mean the world to me, all of you. I don't have a favorite in the PA. As long as you're patriot, you are in my heart. All of you. I mean, like, We've got, you know, I said to Liam, I said, there's people like Ashley Adenel and them, good councillors. You're going to do well in the city of Cape Town. They're now planning to say, Stamhoef can win that word. I'm like, ooh. Daai groot kop gaan daai word wen for ons. And you know what? He's not position hungry. He said, Press, use me wherever you want to use me. He heard now when I said, where are we going to use him? He sent me a message 2 days ago, Stamhoef, saying, Press, het jy net ons nog hy busse? Ek vra, hoekom? Ek wil nou begin rondry met die Patriots, laat ek by al die plekke gaan, die Khoisans gaan sien. So I love you guys. Don't worry. And in Ward 27, Marcel said no, he doesn't want to stand. I said no, you have to stand there. And we know why we say he has to stand. He said he doesn't want to stand, and I said to him, no, you must stand in Ward 27. Stamhoef is not going to stand, but Marcel is going to stand. So, in B, there's not fight for positions. You have very good people, Derek and them, Easters. I've worked with Derek Peterson. I've worked with Wayne Rose. I've worked with all of them. Zelda, come maar hoe mal is, wat sy werk met 'n door-to-door. Ek het met sy en Lucinda van Kofferle gewerk op die grond. Hy maal Zelda, maar nie van so kykie. Sy werk op die grond. Sy is die lyn nie. Sy van die werk af kom en sit sy 'n handsakkie daar, die hoogskoene is uit, of daai halwe hak wat ek altyd sien dra. Dan sê sy, die wat noem dit nie platskoene nie, wat was hy? Wat is hy wat die beisies dra, hy plat is, né? Wat is dit? Pumps. Hy het Zelda werk. Lucinda and them, hulle het gewerk vir die PA. I can't deny people. Once I've seen how I work with them door to door. Rosalind and them, die mense werk in Georgetown. Harde werkers. Harde werkers. So I just want to say to you guys, thank you very much. I will get back to you guys with the next one. But really, I mean, I love and respect you. Like, even sometimes when I shout you, I know you guys are angry for one day and then you love me back again. You guys work. I mean, we are building leaders. I mean, you look at young people like Dean Pretorius and them. These are people that's the future of the party. Ja, hulle moet soos Zelda, as gooi die hoë skoene af. As jy daai meisie kan wat ons daar gewerk het, dan kom sy, then she came. She's got a Dexel now, but that time she was still in love with Eddie Lalo. So then, ek sê, ek wil maar nie besig uitpraat nie. Then Zelda will come and she'll kick off her shoes. And me and Lucinda will be doing door to door. And Captain, daai meisie kan, she didn't even eat, she would leave her bag there. In die pumps, and then pump sy hier af in die straat. You'll find her there talking to people, getting there. Now for me, people want me to forget that. I can't. The people that can't walk, they would sit behind the table and they would be Magdalena Smith and them. There she says it. They will sit and work behind the table. They will rule report. Some people will make food. Yo, you know, this party is so blessed. You can ask Mafia. We will go and she will take pictures of people. We will take pictures of people cooking. She'll take pictures of people working behind. There's people that works with the states. Leanne Stanfield, ek pimpie, ek sê maar net. Oom Kassel daar. Sambo, die mense is harde werkers. Wat ek jou vertel. Ek het met die mense gewerk. Rita, ek het met die mense gewerk. I know. Kevin Peterse, ek weet Drakensberg wag vir 'n celebration. All those people are waiting for their celebrations. But we couldn't celebrate when people have been shot dead. We just didn't think it right. We are burying the people first and we will celebrate it. It doesn't feel right. We've lost so many people in Rega Park, in Westbury, in Cape Town. 22 people last weekend were shot dead in Cape Town. And then we are busy with celebrations. So we said, let's wait just a little bit and we'll do it. Wanneer het Roselle nog hy pumps? Love you guys there. Cheers. Bye-bye. I have to go. I've got work to do. Ik werk nou, mense. Ek het met nou werkie gekry. Ek het met nou werkie gekry, né? So ja, en Kennis gaat nog sterk met die deksel, hoor. Kennis gaat nog sterk met die deksel. Ek sien Zayn also kom mee. Nou kom julle goed as hom uit Zayn. Hulle is almal, ek leef vir julle, ek ken julle besigheid. Zayn came to introduce his deksel to me one day and she's very educated. Ek sit in staan kop. Waar kry Zayn nou die geleerde kind? Zayn was mos ook van halve periode. Ek dink, where does Zayn get this educated girlie? Talking about degrees. Ek say, not even 6 months. I'm like, Zayn, why didn't you answer my call? Oh, Prince, I was busy studying. I'm in the library, I'm studying. Ek say, oh, Jesus! Your deksel must inspire you. You understand what I'm saying? If your deksel finds you, you don't have a license. He must inspire you to get a license. If your deksel finds you don't have a passport, they must inspire you to have a passport. Your deksel must inspire you to start businesses, inspire you to be somebody in life. There's people like Auntie Tina and them, for instance. Omkasa's ex-wife. His wife died. She would cook for patriots in her house. Auntie Tina and them would give food. Today, she's no longer with us. Now we must fight amongst each other. No, people, wait. Those people died. Many people died knowing that. For this PA, Auntie Tina opened her house. Her house for us was Mkas. Other vrouwens, hulle sal tikbekkers. I don't want these green people here. Nie die vrou, Auntie Tina het haar huis opgemaak. She opened the house so that the patriots, there's Melissa saying it, that the patriots can stay there. Today she's with the angels. But what she died loving, we must continue doing. So julle moet nie maak Sambo goed hulle en Roselle hulle klein here moet tussen julle kom. The hope of our children is on all of your shoulders. You guys must all work together. Los maar die skinnery van mekaar. Los maar, leave these things where you guys don't talk to each other. Ek praat met almal. Jy maak my nou na. You know what I love doing? Ja, doing. I got so much time for doing. Kansel doen, ek het hy man reg geskel, hoor. Dis, kyk vir doen vandag. Hy skel is sommer vir my. Jare. Hier. I'm telling you, ek kyk hulle man net so, and I just want you guys to be happy, because I'm not going to be here forever. I'm not going to be here forever, but while I'm here, you guys have given me purpose in life. It's just to see you being happy. And how many of you wanted to divorce your deksels? Then you come to me. Ek sê, wat het jy gemaak? Prissy was unfaithful. Ek sê, gee hom nog 'n kansie. Ons sal hy hoor gee sy uitbid.